Hey guys, and welcome to Listed. In today's video I'll be looking at some cats that catch flies. Every time I try to catch a fly it always flies away, but these cats are fast and manage to catch the flies. And just for fun, comment below if you have a cat. And if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Listed for more weekly list style videos. So let's begin. Some cats that catch flies. The first clip on some cats that catch flies, and you guessed it correctly. This cat catches the fly with the help of its owner. This seems like a good way to catch a fly. Pretty sure this cat has had it easy with this lazy fly. You have to take my word for it that this cat catches the fly. The last clip on some cat catches a fly, and sure, this cat trashes the house, but at least it catches the fly. Thanks for watching some cats catch flies. And if you've gotten this far then why not subscribe to Listed for more weekly list style videos. Pop a like on this one, and why not check out my other videos that appear on screens I'm talking. Till next time, catch you later.